Butterflies are beautiful and fascinating creatures. They captivate us with their delicate wings and vibrant colors, fluttering gracefully from flower to flower. These enchanting insects are not just a delight to the eyes but also play a crucial role in our ecosystem. They are important pollinators, helping plants reproduce and maintain the balance of nature. Without butterflies, many plants would struggle to survive, and the world would be a less colorful place. They come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, from the bright orange of the monarch, which is one of the most well-known and easily recognizable species. Monarch butterflies are famous for their long migrations, traveling thousands of miles from North America to central Mexico. This incredible journey is a testament to their resilience and the wonders of nature. To the iridescent blue of the blue morpho butterfly with its stunning, shimmering wings is a sight to behold. Found in the tropical rainforests of Central and South America, this butterfly's vibrant color is not due to pigments but rather the microscopic scales on its wings that reflect light. This optical illusion makes the blue morpho one of the most mesmerizing butterflies in the world. But what is truly amazing is how these winged wonders come to be, transforming from tiny crawling caterpillars through a process called metamorphosis. This transformation is nothing short of miraculous. It begins when a butterfly lays an egg on a leaf. After a few days, a tiny caterpillar hatches from the egg and begins its journey. Metamorphosis is a Greek word that means transformation or change of form. This process involves several stages, each more fascinating than the last. The caterpillar's primary goal is to eat and grow, shedding its skin multiple times as it becomes larger. Once it has grown enough, it forms a chrysalis, a protective casing where the real magic happens. It is a process that many insects undergo, but it is perhaps most famously seen in butterflies. Inside the chrysalis, the caterpillar undergoes a complete transformation. Its body breaks down into a kind of soup, and from this, the butterfly begins to form. This stage can last from a few weeks to several months, depending on the species and environmental conditions. This transformation is a journey of several stages, each more remarkable than the last. From a tiny egg to a voracious caterpillar, the journey is fraught with challenges. The caterpillar must avoid predators and find enough food to sustain its rapid growth. It is a race against time, as the caterpillar must grow quickly to reach the next stage of its life cycle. From a seemingly lifeless chrysalis to a beautiful butterfly, the transformation is awe-inspiring. When the butterfly finally emerges, it must wait for its wings to dry and harden before it can take its first flight. This moment is both delicate and powerful, as the butterfly prepares to explore the world in its new form. The story of metamorphosis is one of nature's most incredible feats. It is a reminder of the beauty and complexity of life, and the endless possibilities of transformation and growth. Butterflies, with their delicate wings and vibrant colors, are a symbol of hope and change, inspiring us to embrace our own journeys of transformation. The life of a butterfly begins with a tiny egg, often laid on a leaf or stem. These eggs are incredibly small, sometimes no larger than a pinhead, yet they hold the promise of a new life. The mother butterfly takes great care in selecting the perfect spot for her eggs, ensuring they are safe and have access to the right food sources once they hatch. The egg is usually round or oval and may be smooth or have ridges. These ridges can sometimes be seen with the naked eye, but often, a magnifying glass is needed to appreciate the intricate details. The surface of the egg is designed to protect the developing caterpillar inside from the elements and potential predators. Inside this tiny package, a new life is waiting to begin. The egg contains all the nutrients the caterpillar will need to start its journey. As the days pass, the caterpillar grows and develops, preparing for the moment it will break free from its tiny shell. The mother butterfly carefully chooses a plant that will provide the perfect food for her offspring when they hatch. This is a crucial decision, as the caterpillars are very particular about their diet. They will only eat specific types of plants, known as host plants, which provide the necessary nutrients for their growth. This is important because caterpillars are picky eaters and will only eat certain types of plants. The mother butterfly's choice ensures that her young will have the best chance of survival. Once the caterpillar hatches, it will immediately start feeding on the plant, consuming large amounts of leaves to fuel its rapid growth. The egg stage is a time of waiting and preparation. During this period, the caterpillar is developing all the necessary features it will need to survive outside the egg. This includes its mouth parts for eating, its legs for movement, and its body segments. Inside the egg, the tiny caterpillar is developing, getting ready for the next stage of its life. As it grows, it will eventually outgrow the confines of the egg and will need to break free. This marks the beginning of its journey as a caterpillar, where it will continue to grow and eventually transform into a beautiful butterfly. When the time is right, a tiny caterpillar hatches from the egg. This is called the larva stage. The caterpillar's main job is to eat and grow. It munches on leaves almost constantly, storing up energy for the amazing transformation ahead. As the caterpillar eats and grows, it sheds its skin several times. This is called molting. Each time the caterpillar molts, it emerges a little bigger and stronger. The caterpillar stage can last for several weeks or even months, depending on the species. During this time, the caterpillar is busy preparing for the next stage of its life cycle. When the caterpillar is fully grown, it finds a safe place to hang upside down. This is a critical moment in its life cycle, as it prepares to undergo one of nature's most fascinating transformations. The caterpillar instinctively knows that it needs a secure spot, away from predators and harsh environmental conditions, to begin its metamorphosis. It carefully selects a location, often on the underside of a leaf or a sturdy branch, where it can remain undisturbed during this vulnerable phase. It then sheds its skin one last time, revealing a hard, shell-like covering called a chrysalis. This process, known as pupation, is both intricate and mesmerizing. The caterpillar's old skin splits open and it wriggles free, leaving behind its former self. The newly formed chrysalis is soft at first but quickly hardens to provide protection. This protective casing is essential for the next stage of its transformation. This marks the beginning of the pupa stage. During this time, the caterpillar appears to be resting, but inside, a remarkable transformation is taking place. The chrysalis may seem lifeless from the outside, but within, the caterpillar's body is undergoing a complete overhaul. This stage is crucial for the development of the butterfly's wings, legs, and other adult structures. Inside the chrysalis, something amazing is happening. The caterpillar's tissues are breaking down into a kind of biological soup, which will be reorganized into the structures of a butterfly. This process is guided by genetic instructions that have been present in the caterpillar all along, waiting for the right moment to activate. The caterpillar's body is breaking down and reforming into a completely new shape. This transformation is orchestrated by special cells called imaginal discs, which were dormant in the caterpillar, but now become active. These cells will develop into the butterfly's wings, antennae, and other adult features. The process is highly coordinated and precise, ensuring that each part of the butterfly forms correctly. Special cells that were present but inactive in the caterpillar now go to work, transforming the insect's entire structure. These cells are like tiny architects, meticulously building the butterfly's body from the ground up. They use the nutrients stored in the caterpillar's body to fuel this incredible transformation. The result is a creature that looks nothing like its former self, ready to take on a new life as a butterfly. This transformation is a complex process that takes time. Each stage of development is carefully timed to ensure the butterfly emerges at the right moment. The chrysalis provides a safe environment for this delicate process, shielding the developing butterfly from external threats. The timing of the transformation can vary depending on environmental factors such as temperature and humidity. The pupa stage can last anywhere from a few weeks to several months, depending on the species and the environmental conditions. Some butterflies may emerge quickly in warm, favorable conditions, while others may remain in the chrysalis for extended periods, waiting for the perfect moment to emerge. This variability ensures that butterflies can adapt to a wide range of environments and thrive in different habitats. Section 5. The emergence of wings. A transformation. Complete. Finally, the moment arrives. The chrysalis splits open and out crawls a fully formed butterfly. At first its wings are soft and crumpled, but the butterfly soon pumps fluids into them, allowing them to expand and harden. This emergence is a delicate process. The butterfly must free itself from the chrysalis, and then wait patiently for its wings to dry and stiffen before it can take flight. The transformation is complete. The crawling caterpillar has become a beautiful winged butterfly, ready to take to the skies. Section 6. Taking to the skies, a butterfly's life. Once its wings are ready, the butterfly takes its first flight. It flits from flower to flower, sipping nectar with its long, straw-like tongue called a proboscis. The butterfly also plays an important role in pollination, carrying pollen from one flower to another, helping plants reproduce. The adult butterfly's life is relatively short, often lasting only a few weeks. During this time, it focuses on finding a mate and laying eggs, ensuring that the cycle of life continues. Section 7. The Importance of Metamorphosis. Metamorphosis is a remarkable process that allows insects like butterflies to take advantage of different food sources and habitats throughout their lives. The caterpillar stage is all about eating and growing, while the adult butterfly focuses on reproduction. This transformation is not only fascinating but also important for the balance of nature. Caterpillars help to control plant growth, and butterflies are important pollinators, helping to ensure the survival of many plant species. Section 8. Butterflies and the world around us. Butterflies are found all over the world in a wide variety of habitats, from tropical rainforests to meadows and gardens. They are an important part of the ecosystem and are a joy to observe. We can all do our part to protect butterflies and their habitats by planting butterfly-friendly gardens, reducing our use of pesticides, and supporting conservation efforts. Section 9. A final word: appreciating the miracle. The transformation of a caterpillar into a butterfly is a true marvel of nature. It is a reminder that even in the smallest of creatures, there is beauty, wonder, and the power of transformation. Let us appreciate the miracle of metamorphosis and work to protect these delicate creatures for generations to come.